In this video, I will be discussing what inclusive and adaptive practices in sport are and how football can be adapted to enable a vision impaired person to participate. Inclusion in sport means enabling anyone to participate in sport. This can be applied by making modifications that allow people of all abilities to participate, including those who have a disability. Modifications can be made following the STEP model, which stands for space, task, equipment, and people. In a typical game of football, players often stand quite far from the goals when kicking, as seen here. It is also important to be encouraging and give feedback throughout activities to help people improve and feel more included.
Put your hands on the ball and kick through the goals. Not bad, good try.
Here I ask the player to step forward so they are closer to the goal. This decreases the distance required to kick a goal, therefore helping someone with a vision impairment to succeed in football.
I'm going to make it come closer to make it easier to kick the ball to the goals. So come with me. Hold the ball straight with your arms there and kick through the goals. Good kick, right arm.
I then change the type of ball used. Instead of using a football, which could be difficult to kick for a vision impaired person, I use a softer, larger ball.
Okay, we're going to use a bigger ball this time, make the kick it easier to time through the goals. So here the ball, and kick it through the goals. Right arm, good kick.
Here I bounce the ball and ask the player to listen to the bounce of the ball, as this will help them know where the ball is, despite having a vision impairment.
Time I go bounce the ball to you, listen to the ball bounce and kick through the goals.
I then provided more feedback to help them make improvements.
Pull that high and try not to kick it as hard, try to do it softly.
This part of STEP involves making modifications to the people participating, including the number of people participating and how players interact with each other. Cones are being used to show where the middle of the field is. The activity is explained to the player, and then the players interact with each other by listening to the sound of the ball. These are just a few simple changes which can be used to help include visually impaired people in football.